Family traditions. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about something very special. Family traditions. Every family is different. We have different cultures, different beliefs, and different ways of doing things. But one thing many families have in common is traditions. Family traditions are the small or big activities that families do again and again. They help us feel connected, create happy memories, and bring us closer to the people we love. Some traditions are connected to holidays and festivals. Others are simple things that happen every week or every month. When I think about family traditions, I don't only think about big celebrations. I also think about the small moments that make family life special. For example, many families enjoy eating dinner together. Everyone sits around the table, shares a meal, and talks about their day. It may seem like a simple habit, but it gives family members a chance to spend time together. Another common tradition is celebrating birthdays. Every year we gather with family and friends. We sing happy birthday, enjoy delicious food, cut a cake and give gifts. These celebrations remind us how important our loved ones are. Festivals are also a wonderful time for family traditions. Families decorate their homes, prepare special meals, wear beautiful clothes, visit relatives, and spend time together. Children often look forward to these celebrations because they are full of fun and excitement. Some families have traditions that are unique. Maybe they watch a movie together every Friday night. Maybe they go on a picnic once a month. Maybe they play board games every Sunday afternoon. These activities may seem small, but over time they become precious memories. In my opinion, family traditions are not about spending a lot of money. They are about spending quality time together. A simple cup of tea with your parents, a walk with your grandparents, or cooking a meal together can become a beautiful family tradition. One tradition I really enjoy is sharing stories. Older family members often tell stories about their childhood, school days, or interesting experiences. Listening to these stories helps us understand our family history and learn valuable life lessons. Another thing I love is helping prepare food during special occasions. Everyone has a job. Someone washes the vegetables. Someone cooks. Someone sets the table. Someone serves the food. Working together makes the meal feel even more special. Family traditions also teach important values. They teach kindness. They teach respect. They teach gratitude. They remind us to care for one another. Sometimes life becomes very busy. People work long hours. Children have school and homework. Everyone spends time on their phones or computers. It becomes easy to forget the importance of spending time together. That is why family traditions matter so much. They encourage us to slow down and enjoy each other's company. Even a simple tradition like having breakfast together every Sunday can strengthen family relationships. Of course, traditions can change over time. As children grow older, families move to new places, or people get married, some traditions may change. But that doesn't mean they disappear. New traditions can begin. Maybe your family starts traveling together every summer. Maybe you begin volunteering together once a year. Maybe everyone shares one happy memory at dinner every weekend. The most important thing is not the tradition itself. It is the love and togetherness behind it. I believe that many of our happiest childhood memories come from family traditions. Years later, we may forget the gifts we received or the expensive things we bought. But we often remember the laughter, the conversations, the delicious food, and the time we spent with our family. Those memories stay with us forever. If you don't have many family traditions right now, it's never too late to start one. Choose something simple. Read a book together. Cook dinner together. Go for an evening walk. Watch a movie every weekend. Celebrate small achievements. The tradition doesn't have to be perfect. It only needs to bring people together. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. What is your favorite family tradition? Do you celebrate festivals with your family? What activities do you enjoy doing together? Is there a tradition you would like to start with your family? And what is your happiest family memory? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Spend time with the people you love, create beautiful memories, and treasure your family traditions. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye.